Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Coinbase crypto wallet. First, download the Coinbase app from your device's app store or visit their official website. Next, create your account using a valid email address and a strong, unique password. After that, you will need to verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. This initial step is crucial for securing your new digital asset home. Once your email is verified, you will complete identity verification by providing a government-issued ID and some personal details. This is a standard regulatory requirement. For enhanced security, immediately set up two-factor authentication, preferably using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. Finally, review and accept the user agreement and privacy policy. These steps ensure your account is secure and compliant with financial regulations. With your account secured, it's time to fund your wallet. Link a payment method like a bank account, debit card, or even a wire transfer. Coinbase supports several options, making it easy to get started. We recommend starting with a small amount, perhaps $25, to test the process and get comfortable. You might also consider setting up recurring buys for dollar cost averaging into your chosen crypto assets. Now that your wallet is funded, explore the Coinbase dashboard to view your portfolio, track market trends, and discover new assets. Take time to learn how to securely send and receive cryptocurrency within the platform, understanding all transaction fees. Remember to check the description below for a link to this insightful book and other helpful deals. Always practice good security habits, like using strong passwords and being wary of phishing attempts, to keep your digital assets safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.